Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have something different planned. I'm going to be doing a demo this weekend and I thought it would be kind of cool to do a video on what I will be doing. So we will be painting these watercolor butterflies together with Frisket. So the first step is just to go ahead and create that butterfly shape. From there, you will apply the Frisket in any pattern or design that you'd like to. I'm using a rubber color shaper to apply my Frisket. The next step is just to use a watercolor brush and go ahead and plug in your colors. You can really pile up that paint. Don't be worried, that water will not affect the Frisket at all. Next step is to remove the Frisket. You're going to want to make sure that your watercolor paint underneath and around the Frisket is completely dry before you do this. Next, just go ahead and cut out your butterfly shape, and voila, it is complete. So this is the first butterfly on white watercolor paper using Van Gogh watercolors. This next butterfly, I'm actually going to be applying the Frisket onto black Van Gogh watercolor paper. And I'm using the Specialties Van Gogh watercolors to plug in that awesome metallic sheen that you can see on there. So just make sure that's nice and dry, and then you can go ahead and remove your Frisket and cut out your butterfly shape. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this super simple and easy project, and let me know if you like the video in the comments. I will be sure to do more like it. Thanks so much for watching.